So, hello everyone, welcome back to Budding Mariners. This is Surya, your mentor from Budding Mariners English. So, today I am back with one of the most relevant topics. So, whenever I am in a call with the students in recent days, the most asked question is that, sir, which all are the forms out right now? I couldn't get a sponsorship till now. So, what are the other options for me? BSc, BTech option. So, which all forms are still out? So, which all can I apply for now? So I thought of making a new video of that, so every one of you might find it helpful and easy to find. Okay, so as you know, the IMUCT results are already out. So few of you might have got a good rank, few of you might have not like a good rank, some of you might have not even got a rank. So whoever, whichever category you guys are from, we have created a specific community for you guys, a WhatsApp group, so we can guide you accordingly as per your specification and as per your situations. So you can go check it out in the descriptions. We have the all three groups for no rank, for less rank, and what to do if you got a rank. So we will be guiding you, we will be providing you all the step by step process which all you should be following moving forward. In those groups we'll be providing you sessions and all, everything is completely free, so you can click on the link and be a part of that community. So coming back to this, so as you all know, this is our budding mariners portal. So we'll see which all forms are out right now. So in these, few of the forms are closed, like from the past 2 days. So for Manet, the forms are closed. TMI, so also the forms are closed. For Great Eastern, for DNS, yes, the form is open, but it is for the February 2027 batch. Okay, so keep that in mind. And Anglo Eastern, so as you know, Anglo Eastern's form is open all year around. So if you apply, you can go for August batch, and also afterwards they will be start shifting you to the February 2027 batch. Fleet management BTech application was live till 16th of June, so it is not it is closed as of now. And Amet V ships, yes, in Amet V ships you can apply for their DNS and BTech, it is still open. Amet BSc BTech, so this Amet BSc BTech is the non-sponsored unsponsored one. So you can go check out the placement criterias, placement records, all of those things, and if you feel right you can go for that, but remember that is the unsponsored BSc and BTech. Those forms are still out. And for Ganpat, the BSc form is already closed, BTech form is already out, Sims is also closed, I guess. HIMT BTech is still live, Chitkara BSc is still live, CMC Coimbatore Marine College, the BSc and the BTech form is still live. So those are all the forms which you can fill lots of right now. So the main thing to keep in mind whenever you are going for an unsponsored program, especially for BSc and BTech, go check out their placement records. And if you are that sure you don't want to take a drop here, or you don't want to shift to the uh, next February batch, you want to start your career just from the August batch, yes, you can go for that. But keep an eye on the placement records and the alumni reputation of those colleges. So that is it. Now comes the next part. If you're someone who have got a good rank in IMUCT this year, but still you don't have a sponsorship.
If you are someone who is looking for English classes for IMU CET and sponsorship preparation and want to join Merchant Navy, there is a link in the description. Fill out that Google form.
Yes, the Param batch, which is our brand new sponsorship batch. So you can start your preparation for your February 2027 batch starting from 25th of June. This month we will be starting our new batch. So in this batch you will be prepared for whatever companies, whatever institutes, whatever forms you are eligible for. We will be preparing you for each and every one of the companies and making sure that you will be getting a sponsorship from that particular company. And yes, we have the unlimited mock interviews which will be provided through this batch. Yes, So if you want to know more about this batch, or if you want to enroll, or if you want to clear any doubts, just go fill out the Google forms which is in the description, or you can just call me in the number below. And yes, the Arambam batch, which is for the 12th appearing and the dropper students. So if you have got no rank and you are damn sure that you want to become a merchant navy officer, this is the pit stop for you. So the same batch starting from 25th of June, and we will be including your IMUCT preparation, your sponsorship preparation, your interview preparation, your medicals. So everything will be covered under this particular batch. So if you want to enroll, or if you want to know more about this, or if you want to come like clear any of your doubts, what to do, what are the next steps, or you are confused. I know most of you might be confused at this particular stage, and where to find the solution for your confusion and doubts, just fill out the Google forms or just call me in this number below, and I will be talking to each one of you to clear your doubts. So that was it. I hope this has cleared all your doubts and you are aware of which all forms are out right now. So yes, that is it. So we'll be meeting with yet another video, and yes, till then, bye bye, take care, thank you, and yes, thumbs up will be much appreciated, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye bye.